two screws here and here, triangle. So this joint here, the original have one screw hole inside here. This is what we discovered. So this one shift forward, backward, and we have a pad here so that the limit that is the maximum. That is also the maximum, which is a lot already. We still can adjust this by adding but we feel is okay. So both sides the same. This is a bit not straight but workable, and just two screws to support, enough. Then this is a pipe, metal pipe, bent snugly in. I may wrap it up with something to cover the ugliness. So the other is by 25 by 50 stainless steel. So this is the handicap shower chair, which is weatherproof. Yeah, the reason I choose this, it is got because of the height adjustable for different people. Then this is a hospital grade wheels. So 100 kg per wheel. So this one is way too smooth. It's way too smooth. You see, it's really smooth using this. So the other part is this one. Okay, I cut this. I actually cut this. So this is a Velcro to secure it. I can shift it out halfway, then again this behind, press it in and shift some more. So the whole handle actually shift nearly 180 degrees for accessibility. So see, two steps, one step, finish, slide, which is commonly used. Then this one, just secure it this way, will do. No issues. This is for those bicycle saddlebag, which I can have two. I ask my friend drill 2 holes and put it in. The other side also have one. So I can have 2 saddlebags, one box here, probably for the extra batteries, and another bag can be hanged over here. So 3 bags is enough luggage for, in fact, anything.